Welcome to the Contact Manager tutorial. This is Andrew
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev team. This tutorial will show you how to create and manage your contact list. Creating a contact list helps the user quickly populate field forms, tabular forms, and folder metadata with observers, recorders, and others that are used in data collection. Knowing who collected the data is a critical piece of information for any field sampling method. Let's see how it's done.
From the menu toolbar, select Contacts. Then click the Contact Personnel Manager drop-down option. The Contact Personnel Manager window will open. To create a new contact, select New from the Contact Personnel Manager button toolbar. The Details tab will open. Enter contact information for the individual you would like to add. The minimum amount of information that should be added is last name and first name. Additional information, such as middle name, title, identification, organization, and notes are optional. You may also identify contacts by type. The drop-down menu in the Type box offers several contact type options. To add custom contact type options to your contact type list, please see the Categorical Lists Manager tutorial. Once you are satisfied with your contact details, click Save. You can cancel your edits at any time by clicking the Cancel button in the Contact Personnel Manager button toolbar.
To see your list of contacts, click on the List tab. From the list, you may activate or deactivate contacts by clicking on the Active Radio button, then click Save. Changing a contact to inactive does not remove the reference from the database, but removes the individual as a contact option during data input. To edit a contact, select the contact, then click on the Details tab. Enter the correct information and click Save. If you would like to delete a contact, select the contact to be deleted and click the Delete button in the Contact Personnel Manager button toolbar and click Yes if you are sure you want to delete the contact record. By default, a contact that is referenced in the database may not be deleted, but can be edited or changed to inactive.
To populate or edit contact information in the field or tabular form, please see the Creating a New Event tutorial. To populate or edit contact information in folder metadata, please see the Layout and Toolbar tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.